My name is Max Frederick. I'm a sales and recruiting manager at Aerotek. We are a national staffing and recruiting agency. We actually have 200 offices in the United States. In Wisconsin, we have an office in Appleton, Milwaukee, Racine, Wausau, and Madison. I sit out of our Madison operation. And then close to Janesville, we actually have a Rockford, Illinois location as well. Aerotek was founded in 1983. We initially started to serve the aerospace and defense industries. Since then, we've grown into doing more industrial staffing, which is what we currently do in the southern Wisconsin territory. We are a very close-knit group. We work very hard. We also spend a lot of time with each other, and we have a really energetic and passionate work environment. You know, we are in the staffing industry, and we work as early as 5 or 6 in the morning when our clients are getting up, and as late as even 8, 9 o'clock when some of our second shift managers are in. So I'm a very positive and inclusive culture, and we have a lot of fun doing it. What we support in southern Wisconsin is anything manufacturing. So any company that manufactures a product, we are going to support that, whether that is on the skilled trade side, so anything welding, machining, fabrication, maintenance, or on the light industrial side, which would be assembly, machine operators, quality technicians. Any light industrial skill set is something that we will support. We also support companies on a contract to hire, or direct hire basis. We support companies from a local market, so we would be recruiting candidates at a local capacity. We also do a lot of traveling workforce, so we will recruit throughout the country, bring candidates in on a per diem basis, more of on a contract type of work. And then we also act as a service company. So companies will actually carve out a piece of their business. We will work off of a statement of work, and we will act as a service company. So 3 different sectors that we serve at Aerotek. Our target customer would be obviously somebody that values the partnership and that uses staffing. Now, whether you use staffing strategically or you're just looking for maybe a one-off skill set type of position that you'd want to partner with us on, we are completely great with that. But honestly, just looking for transparency, open dialogue, and allowing us to have the ability to have multiple relationships with multiple people within your company. Our skilled trades division, we're heavily involved with the tech schools. So myself and another partner of mine, we actually sit on the advisory board at Blackhawk Tech and at MATC for their welding and fabrication and maintenance department. So we feel it is incredibly crucial to partner with the tech schools and other manufacturing companies to understand how we're going to evolve manufacturing and bring more accessibility to kids for manufacturing. Our footprint and our ability to attack any market, we just have a lot of different offices that support that. We're also very segmented, so certain divisions in our company only target skilled trades workforce. Certain divisions only target light industrial. We also have an engineering services as well. Each of our skilled trades recruiters actually do a 2-week training at a tech school, so they learn how to weld, machine, fabricate, a little bit about maintenance, so they actually understand the skill sets when they're talking to candidates. And finally, our proprietary system that allows us to attract and retain talent. Anywhere you can post your resume online, whether that's Indeed, Job Center, ZipRecruiter, LinkedIn, that gets funneled into our system. And our recruiters have access to all those candidates. So we've got a lot of outreach and ability to support a lot of clients. For one, looking for jobs can be exhausting, maybe not know where to start. We certainly act as your agent. We are available 24/7, and we partner with a lot of companies in the area, so we'll just be able to cast more lines into the water. We pay weekly. We offer full-time benefits and insurance to every single contractor. We have a hotline for any contractor to call into with any payroll issues. And we just have a very hands-on approach, and we are always available to serve any needs that you have. We have 25 producers in our Madison, Wisconsin office, so we're able to support a lot of clients, whether that's just for one-off positions or we have situations where we're staffing up to 100 contractors at a time. And finally, I think most importantly, our people. We care a lot. We really do, and we tell all of our clients that we will remain available to them 24 hours a day, and we really do that, and we mean that. You know, there's times where we get in phone calls at 5 in the morning all the way up till 9 o'clock at night, and we really care about our people internally as well. So, my 10 years at Aerotek, I've been heavily involved with the tech schools, like I said, Blackhawk Tech and MATC up in Madison. And I think just through that, I've met some wonderful people who have actually told me to maybe look into being a member of Forward Janesville. And I think just from meeting you guys from the first time, you guys are very welcoming, and you can tell that you guys care about the community. And with the time that I spend in Janesville, Beloit, I certainly want to do my part in the community and be a part of something great. And I'm really looking forward to my journey here with Forward Janesville and very appreciative of being a part of it.